class. So moving forward, nagkaroon tayo ng maganda yung ating Silver Jubilee. Hindi yata lumabas dito. No? People were dancing nakasuot ng madre. Yun, yun yung palabas nun eh. Naalala ko nun si Jun Morales na nakasuot ng pangmadre. And then moving forward, no? From that time on, si Jimmy Chong Kong, no? Every so often, tatawagan tayo, no, for a reunion. Usually yung Christmas reunion. At hihingi yun ng donation. Joey Mendoza, bigay ka naman ng donation. Ang donation mo, 1,001. No, yung 1, we'll identify that as Joey Mendoza. Pepe Aresa, bigay ka naman ng donation. Ang donation mo, 1,003. Dahil yung 3, ikaw yun. That's how he knew it. No? Hindi kasi siya gumagamit pa ng computer noon. Pero with that, no, yung hirap ni Jimmy to gather all of us, marami sa atin. In fact, I know, hinabol niya si Francis Sebastian sa Hong Kong, no, to join us. And many others here, hinabol ni Jimmy Chong Kong. Tapos nakita ni Eric Cruz yun. Sabi niya, maganda yung nangyayari. Then Eric Cruz started. He started sponsoring most of our reunion doon sa Aviles at saka doon sa studio nung wife ni Eric Cruz. Unfortunately, those 3 people, they're not with us. But then again, may I ask everybody, bigyan natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan. So bakit, marami nagtatanong, bakit pinili mo nakabarong? Meron nga dyan, salbahe. Kung bakit daw nakabarong. Anyway, I will not delve into that. Si Mando Cabal yun. No, I will not delve into that. Kung bakit. No? Pero tignan nyo naman, lahat tayo, no? Sartorial elegance, nakabarong. No? And let's give everybody a very big round of applause. Before going into that, let me pasalamatan ko muna yung ACTS event. Si Jane, tsaka si Diane, they're somewhere here. No, maraming salamat for taking care of the entire program. So kung meron kayong event, meron kayong affair, ACTS events is the group to contact. Yan, Glenn. No? I mean, this is all because of them, right? And hindi naman to mangyayari kung wala yung tinatawag nating helping hands. No? There were people who helped, no, na ayusin itong affair na to. We started right after the elections, right after May 11. No? We started in May. Dapat meron i-flash. Wala ba? yung sa mga, yan yung mga helping hands. Actually, tuwing meron tayong reunion, I could always call on them, no, tumulong para ma-organize yung event. So, allow me to call them up the stage, no, para naman ma-recognize natin at palakpakan natin sila. So may I ask, sino ba natin ito? Jules De La Fuente, please come on stage. Si Danny Villarante, Larry Salazar, Ding Chacoso, myself, of course, EDC, no? Parito kayo. Meron kasing, please come up. No? Si Mando Cabal, si Jake, please come up. And eto, kung tumulong in executive session, wala dyan, no? Pero palagi akong kinakausap, palagi kami nag-uusap, executive session nga lang. Si David Chua. Chua, please. David, please. Alright. Yan, si Larry Salazar. Yan. Okay. Alright. So dahil maraming ad-lib, no? Ito yung mga taong tumulong para ma-organize to. Hindi lang ako yan, no? Marami kami. And we would meet regularly, okay? Nagbigay sila ng oras to be able, no, to organize this event tonight, this affair. So, pero hihingan ko sila ng konting salita, no? Konti lang, no? Dahil gutom na sila eh. Alright? Gutom na, kaya konting salita lang. So we'll start with, ikaw ang katabi ko, so we'll start with David Chua.
Maraming salamat at nakaabot din ako dito ng 55th. Ha? Yan lang po masasabi ko. Okay.
Anyway, happy to see everyone. Poging-pogi. Enjoy the night.
Mabuhay ang klase natin.
Always willing to help our batch.
Masarap makita kayong lahat muli. Mabuhay tayo, San Beda College.
For the love of Golden Pride. At salamat sa ating mga kasama sa pagtulong. Sa
Nice
lahat.
to be of service. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming.
Huwag na si Mando.
Congratulations, Golden Pride, at 55.
Meron lang tayong konting ibibigay sa kanila. Ayan. Ayan. Oh, EDC. Sino yan? Ako to.
Very nice, Santo Niño.
David Chua. There. Alright. So,
Uy, may
gentlemen,
mga pangalan.
magpapapicture
May
tayo.
pangalan pala eh.
And,
Jules de la Fuente.
ano yan? Sino yan? Magkabaliktad. Alright. Ayan na. So, ito po yung mga tumulong para sa ating gala night tonight. Alright.
Nice to mention that individually named.
Thank you. Baba na kayo. Dahil, ano na eh, gutom na yung mga kaklase natin. No? Konti na lang. Are we still okay pa tayo? On schedule. Alright. So, when I thought of the idea, na magkaroon ng, something ibang klase naman on our Emerald Jubilee. We will be 55 years next year, no? Alam mo, hanggang ngayon hindi ko alam kung bakit ang school year putol, no? 25, 26, 70, 71. Bakit hindi na lang ginawang school year 1970? Diba? So I really, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko alam kung bakit gano'n. Is it because of summer? I really don't know. But then, next year will be our 55 years or our Emerald Jubilee. And that will be on February 7. Tama? February 7? Yeah, February 7. So, we hope to see everybody there. No? 55 years tayo na next year. So, when I thought of the idea, no, sabi ko, pangit naman kung nakita nyo, naka-t-shirt lahat and everything. So sabi ko, let's have something ibang-iba naman. No? Something na merong, hindi ko sinasabing porke naka-t-shirt tayo, hindi tayo elegante. Pero dagdagan natin ng konti. No? Let's put some elegance in it. Sabi ko, magbarong Tagalog tayo. Barong Filipino, and the site, no, ang ganda-ganda ng site. Yung huling nakita natin, marami sa atin nakabarong nung kinasal yung anak ni Eric Cruz. That was maybe 20 years ago. yun yung marami sa atin ang nakabarong noon. Then after that time, ano pa yun, a private affair. So, nung pagkatapos ng let me just give you briefly yung storya dito. So, pagkatapos nung eleksyon, no, sabi ko, kung itutuloy ko yung Emerald na actually, first thought ko was really do it in Okada. No? Around the place, you have Okada, you have Soler, you have Conrad, malapit din, and then you have the Newport hotels. No? Pero sabi ko, kung elegante hinahanap natin, let's do it in Okada. Medyo magastos, medyo mahal, but I guess kaya naman siguro. If you remember, meron tayong 7 samurai noon. Nag-umpisa yan noong 2018 or 17 nung naisip ni Eric dahil kinausap siya ni Father Ed. No? Ayusin, magdagdag ka naman ng kwarto doon sa Malay-Balay. Tama ba ako, Father? And sabi si Eric, alam niyo naman si Eric, ano, napaka-bait na tao, napakalambot ng puso. Sabi niya, sure. Right? Ngayon, yung pahamak na Jake Tolosa, no, pahamak talaga yan, si Jake Tolosa. Okay? Sabi niya noon, Ed, si Eric, nagbibigay ng mga kwarto sa Malay-Balay. Magbibigay ng refectory sa Malay-Balay. At marami pang iba ibibigay si Eric. No? Ang gusto ni Eric, in the name of High School 1971. And it really did happen. No? In the name of High School 1971. Pero ito si Jake, talagang pahamak ito. Sabi niya, paano naman yan? Si Eric na lang. Paano naman tayo? Anong contribution natin? No? And that was about Christmas time. Kaya nga we thought of having yung fundraising, yung Kringle gifts. So that started Advent time ng 2017, rolled over to 2018 kasi ginagawa na ni Eric yung mga kwarto para doon sa mga monks, no, sa Transfiguration in Malay-Balay. From that time on, tuloy-tuloy na. No? Nagkaroon na, nag-snowball na yan. No? Noong 2023, na kailangan natin ng, of course, kailangan natin palagi ng pera. No? Nagkaroon tayo ng 7 Samurai. And we had a very grand reunion noong 2023. 23 or 22, I'm not so sure anymore. Then came the Emerald, itong 55 years. No? Maniwala kayo. Okay? Kailangan maniwala kayo. Okay? I made a list of 9 people. 9 people. Oh. I made a message to these 9 people. Ano pa? Viber pa. Individually. No? Private message. Siyempre, hindi ko naman pwedeng gawing public. Right? I sent them to these 9 people. 9 nakaklase natin. Okay. Alam nyo ba, ang sagot nila sa akin, within the day, at most after 2 days. Alam nyo ba sagot nila sa akin? Ed, when do you need it? Oh, sabi ko, ang sarap naman nito mga kasamang ito. Ano? When do you need it? How do we send the money to you? And I told them, doon sa message ko, no, we are celebrating 55 years of togetherness. Right? And we want to make it a little bit elegant, a little bit grandiose. Hindi naman sobra-sobra, Okada nga lang. Medyo mahal sa Okada. Right? Sinabi ko rin sa kanila na wala tayong iiwanan. Wala tayong iiwanan. No? Lahat kasama. Yung walang barong Tagalog, bibigyan natin ng barong. And we did it. Okay? Yung walang pamasahe, walang way to come to Okada, bibigyan natin ng Grab fare. And we did it. no? I think I hit a note sa